Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be walking around this 1967 Mustang Fastback. Really pretty car. Factory moss green like the Bullitt Mustang Fastback from the movie.
And that's what's cool. So many people after that movie came out painted their Fastback this color, but this one came this way from the factory. It's got the full down rear seat, factory black interior as well. Really a nice car. It's an older restoration. It's had one repaint on it. You can see it's got the factory paint still in the jams here, okay, under the hood. It's had one repaint back to the original color. It's got power steering. It's got power brakes. A couple nice options for a 1967 Fastback.
It does. With the roads today and the cold temperatures, you know, we're not going to take this one out just because we got salt and shit on the roads today, and it's damn cold. So we're just going to be doing a walk around inside. That way you can see it.
One thing about this car is we did go through all the brakes on it, just like we do on all of them. Oil change has been done. Goes down the road great, Dalton. And the cool part about it is most everything works, and we will go through all that stuff today, even though we don't go outside.
You want to do this walk around?
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Here's the keys. All right. As we go around this 1967 dark moss green Fastback, we'll start here at the front bumper. Front bumper's in excellent shape. That looks very nice. The horse and corral looks like during the restoration probably was redone as well. As far as the trim around the front grille, not perfect. It's got some little scuffs right there, but all in all, pretty presentable. It's got the deluxe hood with the turn signals in the hood. So we go back here, the back of the hood lines up good. We got a nice even gap from front to back. Not a trailer queen car, but a nice driver and a good straight car. As far as the gap, a little tight on the very back here as you go back along there, but the back of the hood fits nice. I like the wheel and tire. I like the old Kragers on this, Dalton.
I do too.
It's just a good looking stance, good looking car. And these Fastbacks are just getting harder and harder to find, especially the 67 and 8s.
Yeah.
All the trim around the back window and stuff like that, really presentable, but it's original. Somebody put some 6x9s in here. If a guy don't like that, you can always take it back out. But it does have the fold down. As we look up and down the sides, really a pretty straight car. It's all been buffed out, looks good. Original paint here in the trunk jam as well. So it's got the correct sticker still. Original paint, which I'm saying, same in this jam. So not as shiny and nice as the exterior paint, but again, it's original.
Yeah,
and just kind of shows
stampings
it.
and stuff there too. It's kind of cool.
Pretty solid car underneath too. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, see for yourself, check all those pictures out. Does have a jack, it's got the spare, that kind of thing. New back bumper, that all looks good. Corner of the door is nice and solid. Door panel's nice. It does have new door panels on the front. We did replace those. We put a new dash pad and all new bezels on it as well. I think this is an 80,000 original mile car. I'll show you the exact mileage here pretty quick. Headliner is really nice, appears to be original. Back door panel seats are original. Seat belts are original, and all the interior lights in the back work. Here's your jam paint right here. That all looks really good. Really, the gaps are pretty good too, as far as our door gaps. The only thing, the hood gap wasn't the best there on the very back, but look at the corners of the doors. Look how nice they fit in here to the back quarter panel. Bottom front fender. The really only rust bubble on it's right here at the very front. You can see it. It's even hard to see in here, but there's a couple tiny little bubbles right there in the very front of that front door. Bottom of the fender is excellent, lines up. Good here at the bottom. Like I said, just right here, Dalton, if that fender maybe can just be taken out just a little bit there. As Dalton opens the door for us, I don't think I mentioned the seat, but the seats are in really nice shape. Both of them, the console light works, the seat backs are nice. Carpet's very presentable as well. Looks original to me. Your corner of the doors, there's the original body tag, which tells us it's the dark moss green with black interior car. Window felts. These little felts should be replaced at some point. They're old and original. But roof rail rubbers, door rubbers, that kind of stuff's all in great shape. Original steering wheel still, and 83,841 miles.
Here's the keys, you can go through it.
Yeah, let's just go through it. I'll let you video me here. We're gonna go ahead and turn the radio on first. It's crazy, I was just listening to some music.
Radio works good.
Speakers were good. There's your wipers. They're 2-speed also, Dalton. And they park correctly. There's your heater fan. Shuts, opens.
Yep, you can hear that going.
High, medium, low, all speeds work. 83,841 miles. Look at all the dash lights working.
Excellent.
Okay. As far as the gas gauge goes, gas gauges just came off just a little bit here, so we'll put some gas in that. Oil pressure gauge, Dalton.
Beautiful car. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. We will see you on the next walk around and test drive.